I'm Robin. I'm a third generation goldsmith, and I am really excited in 3D technology and different machinery, and I'm trying to get the most out of every machine to make my projects. My next project is Subwoofer. It's addition to my 2.0 bookshelf speakers. So the sound is better, more whole. I like about this machine everything. It's really precise, it's really fast, it has a lot of power, so every job is done really quickly. My previous machines were really slow, not so precise, and every job took 4 times longer than with this machine. This project I started with 3D modeling, then I engineered it to CNC it, and then after CNC I stacked the pieces together. It has 148 pieces.
We have milled out all the pieces. Now it's time to cut them out and clean them up, and then we can glue them together, and then after that we will laminate it with walnut veneer, and the result will be something similar to this. So this is the final product. It turned out really nicely. The bottom of the speaker, the stand, is poured concrete. On the bottom is a speaker element, and this box is stacked together of MDF that is CNC'd with this machine, and the top is veneer of walnut. The machine did a really great job. All the pieces fit perfectly. It cut really fast and really precise, and I'm really happy with the end result.